Hello friends, my name is Babulal Saini. I am from Rajasthan. Today I am going to tell about online you can speak English course. One day I was watching Facebook. I saw an advertisement on Facebook. I talked on mobile number which was flashing on the screen. What was then? I joined the course in only 99 rupees for 11 days. After that, 2 months. When I was joining the course, I was thinking that how is it possible? How can someone teach English in only 2 months? But it is possible because of Rahul Shinde sir and Kusa Maheshwari ma'am. Rahul Shinde sir is founder of this course and application. His books are unique and in simple language. I have no word for Rahul Shinde sir. We are taught by Kusa Maheshwari ma'am. Kusa Maheshwari ma'am is very good teacher. She is polite, supportive and helping. She knows very well how to teach her student. She is dedicated to her profession. She always said that do practice. If you will practice, you can speak English. I couldn't practice more due to my busy schedule. I did not know English at all 2 months ago. What I am talking, it is a result of 2 months. You can speak English course. Thank you, Rahul Shinde sir. Thank you, Kusama.